Hello everyone, back again with us, Angger and
Radja. In this video, we will learn about integral. So, integral has divided into two types. They are indefinite integral and definite integral.
but in this video we'll learn about definite integral. The concept is so simple. If we have a function of a variable x, an interval from a to b, the definite integral is defined informally as the signed area of the region in the xy plane that is bounded by the graph of f. So, in this video, we use Geogebra. These apps may help you to learn about integral. First, make graph. For example, we use function x squared. We can make the functions by writing it in the input bar. Then the graph will come out.
Before you go any further, it would be better if you understand the Riemann sums. In mathematics, a Riemann sum is a certain kind of approximation of an integral by a finite sum. One very common application is approximating the area of function or lines on a graph, but also the length of curves and other approximations. The sum is calculated by partitioning the region into shapes like rectangles, trapezoids, parabolas, or cubic that together form a region that is similar to the region being measured, then calculating the area for each of the shapes, and finally adding all of the small area together. This approach can be used to find a numerical approximation of a definite integral even if the fundamental theorems of calculus does not make it easy to find a closed form solution. So, for a finite size domain, if the maximum size of a partition element sinks to 0, this implies the number of partition element goes to infinity. Then Riemann sums approximate the integral value. So we will create Riemann concept to make you easy to learn integral. After making function, we make slider. We make it because we want to make various integral with this slider. We use 3 sliders. For sliders, we can name it A. Slider A is for upper limit. Second slider, we can name it B. Slider B is for bottom limit. And third sliders, we can name it N. Slider N is for partition number.
In Riemann sums, we'll know about left Riemann sums, right Riemann sums, and trapezoidal rules. So we can input it in input bar. In this example, I will input left Riemann sum, so we can type then we input right Riemann sum and trapezoidal too. Here we go. Then we'll input the integration of the function. From the slider, we can see if n slider have more number of partition, the left Riemann sum, right Riemann sum, and trapezoidal going to same value. As you can see, the Riemann sums have same value with the integration. But the problem is A slider and B slider as upper bound and lower bound. B slider as lower bound can be on the left of A slider. And this is wrong, so I change the minimum value of B slider to A. So B slider can be on the left of A slider.
So that's our concept about definite integral with Riemann sum, and we have some quiz for you. Maybe you guys will practice more about integral.
So thanks for watching and see you next time.